Hi, in this video we want to talk about a new feature in 24.8 version. So the option to exclude words from hyphenation. So let's suppose, I don't know why, but I don't like, for example, the word suddenly to be hyphenated in my project. Okay, so what I can do, let's see for the paragraph. So for this paragraph, I have hyphenation automatically, so everything will be hyphenated, but I don't want this one to be and this one. So what I can do, right click, character, again character, and we have some tabs. We need to tab to click on position, and we have here an option hyphenation exclude from hyphenation. Okay, so this word was excluded. The same here now, right click, character, character, exclude. So everything else it's okay, it's hyphenated, except the words I don't want. I specify one by one to be excluded from hyphenation. So it's a nice tool for authors, or another kind of persons for big projects, when we don't want certain words to be hyphenated. So this is version 24.8. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.